Hello, dear Libra. Welcome back to my channel, and this is your March second week's exclusive love reading. If you are in a relationship, situationship, or marriage, if your sun, moon, or rising any sign is Libra, this reading is for you. If you're looking for career, money, and investment related reading, then that's already uploaded on my channel by the name of March monthly reading for each sign separately. You can click on the videos or the latest section and find the videos of March career plus love. Okay, so let's begin. Your cards are already out. Let's see what's going to happen in your second week, starting from March 10th till the March 16th. You've got the astronomer and the temperance card, and you've also got the four of stars and the death card. Well, I see that a lot of you are, praying for and hoping for different situations in your life. To begin with, I do see that somebody around you sees you as a perfect partner. Somebody they can go out party with, somebody who can take care of their family also, and somebody who is good at their work also, is a good personality also. So somebody either sees you like that, Libra, or you see someone like that. You want a reconciliation with them, or this person wants a reconciliation with you. Either case, I do see a mingling of past and future, which means I do see a reconciliation happening for you. So if your question was, when is this reconciliation going to happen, or is it going to happen or not, I do see that a reconciliation is on the horizon, but you will have to be a little patient. You'll have to also adapt to the circumstances, because neither you nor this person might be the same after the fight or after the breakup or after the no contact situation, right? Both of you have also changed in some way. I do see both of you have also evolved in some way. So you will have to adapt the new them and the new you. So yes, a reconciliation is on the horizon if that is what you want. To others of you, I do see that you feel very stuck in a situation and very hurt in a situation where you do not want to go back to a particular person. You want a fresh beginning, you want a change in your life, right? And you have been also very negative about your relationships and the future. Maybe some of you thought that you're never going to get married, or never going to find the right partner, or never going to get pregnant because you have been trying. So, if any of those situations belong to you, if you think that this is what is happening in your life, I have a huge, huge news for you, that a change is coming. A transformation is coming for you, which means your status is going to change. If you're single, you're going to get mingled with a relationship, a partner. If you're in a relationship, you're going to get married. If you're already married, you are going to have a baby, or at least some related to pregnancy news, right? So no matter what your situation is, if you were, in a negative pattern, negative thinking, then yes, your situation will change and your thinking will change into a positive transformation. So I do see major transformation, major change happening in your second week, where your entire perspective on life in general will change. You will notice it, and you will see that it's bringing better changes in your life, right? So nothing will be the same for you as it was before. So Libra, it is going to be a beautiful week, can be a challenging week, because most of us don't like changes, but that is what is meant for you, and that is for your highest good, right? So if you resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, or this is exactly that you what you want, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you still have any question on your mind regarding love, or career, or money, or anything, then please go ahead and book a reading with me. You can either email me at astasharma842@gmail.com, or you can Instagram me as well. DM me and book the reading. The charges are very minimal, very cheap. My lowest charge starts at 170 rupees, and my highest charge goes up to 1000 something. So it's not gonna make a hole on your pocket. So go ahead, ask as many questions as you want and get clarity in your life. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram, because I post all my updates regarding both my channels over there. So you will get the first hand news from my Instagram. So take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.